I'm generally inspired by nature. I feel that it's the best inspiration to draw any aspect of design from. My name is Ebrahim Assur. I'm a product designer and interior architect originally from Cape Town, South Africa. This year when I decided to apply, I found out that this was the sustainability edition of Tanween. I thought this is a perfect opportunity for me to design something that could stand the test of time. I've always been fascinated with cork, and when I was afforded the chance to use the material, I grabbed it with open arms, and this formed the basis of my initial design. The design that I've developed is actually based on the fractals of the palm tree, which is the structural elements that wrap around the trunk of the palm tree. The product that I designed is a bench, and I thought that designing a bench brings people together. It symbolizes unity. So I named the bench the Kaseeriya fractal bench, which means a geometrical pattern that is tight-knit. And then I did an inverse design where I created and implemented the archways of mosques within the bench. I would say that the first challenges I had was to find the materials. I then worked with another company that actually produce and manufacture recycled palm waste. So essentially my bench is made out of 100% palm tree waste and recycled cork sheets. So with the pellets that I received from Palm-Aid, they are biocompostable and biodegradable. The cushion is lined with camel leather that's done at a local tannery, instead of using an imported fabric. For me, I had a eureka moment in terms of when I went into production for the prototype and I saw how all the materials came together. This was like, okay, this is what I envisioned. This is what I signed up for in the beginning. Having amazing mentors within the program was absolutely, it just assisted us in so many ways.
Rather than sketching, put accurate lines and, as I said, sort of make it precise.
I would say that it has developed me into a more conscious designer. It's really remarkable, the things that you can achieve in such a small period of time, which is invaluable, and I'm thankful for that.